Now this is a new project, and I'll just work basically with the drums, and let's see how I get from point A to my point Z. I'll create new, I'll just add two software instruments. Now my very first go-to drum set is the Logic Pro uh, drum set, and I'll be using the producer kit. I'll be using the SoCal. Now, why the producer kit? The producer kit gives you the access to have every kit individually. So when I open this, you see how it looks. It has everything there. The next thing I'll add would be a contact library. Now I'll do contact and I'll go um, 8 stereo, 8 mono. That's the contact I want to load. I want a contact that has 8 stereo outputs and 8 mono outputs. So I do that. Now I would load my session drummer, full session kit. Well, so that's it. Now my drummer uses the session kit to do this. So I just drag it and I ask it to import tempo and everything. So I have my tempo, and so my I have that very first note because over time working with my drummer, once he sends me MIDI files, sometimes there's little glitches. So he puts that first note to signify the start of the session. So and this already sounds great, but probably not as great as you want it to sound. So that's why we're having this class, because I want it to sound better than it is sounding right now. So what would I do? For me, basically, I have a mixture of the two drum kits. That is what I would do. Now, I feel some of the cymbals here are a bit harsh. The hi hat here is harsh. Then I would use the one from the Logic session and build my drum set. This is going to be a bit cumbersome, but I'm used to doing it, and yeah, it is what it is. I'll just be showing you from scratch. Quickly, we're going to go into contact, and I'm going to give you something that you could learn or you can use on contact. You can use this on other contacts libraries too, but I think it's going to be very, very helpful.